Two phones. One big question? What's really new with the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max? Is it just hype, or are there real reasons to upgrade? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know before you make the next move. So, let's get started. Okay. So, starting with the colors of both, the colors are the same as we have in the 15 series. We have black, white, natural, and a new color that is Desert Titanium. My color choice in all of these is going to be this Desert Titanium, because it's a new color as well as this is very much attractive. Both has same color, but different capacity. iPhone 16 Pro features a 128GB internal storage, whereas the base variant of iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with the 256GB. So if you are considering to buy any of 16 series, then I will recommend you iPhone 16 Pro Max. And why I am doing so, I will tell you at the end of this video. iPhone 16 Pro is featuring a 2.81 inches width with 0.32 inch of thickness, and height is about 5.89 inch. Just a slight change in the 15 Pro, otherwise it's same. But difference here comes in bezels. This time Apple has made very slim bezels with more upgraded titanium. Yes, Titanium 5 is used in iPhone 16 series. These slim bezels obviously going to make your experience maximum with iPhone 16 series. Here come iPhone 16 Pro. Max width is about 3.06 inches, with the thickness of 0.32 inches, featuring in 6.42 inches of height. A little slighter change in design of Pro models. And if you compare the weight of iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro Max, you will notice they both weigh same. Apple started reducing the weight of its iPhones from the 15 series, because before that, Apple's phones were slightly heavier. But this didn't happen with the last series, and we saw the same thing in the 16th series as well. It's possible that in future iPhones, we might also see their weight being slowly and gradually reduced. Personally, I don't feel good for this change. Moving on display, because basically display is actually the look. Talking about iPhone 16 Pro featuring a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display in Dynamic Island, which is same like 15 Pro, but increase in display size. And a display size of phone matters a lot. 16 Pro Max is featuring a Super Retina XDR OLED display with the size of 6.9 inches. Dynamic Island is still a part of it. Both phones are supporting a 120Hz refresh rate up to 2000 peak brightness with 1 nit of minimum brightness. IP68 is verified.